everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on or off activity status on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap to Settings. On the Settings page, tap to Privacy. Scroll down and tap to Activity Status. To disable Show Activity Status, slide the bar to the left. And to enable Show Activity Status, slide the bar to the right. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.